I know most retail investors are disappointed in Palantir's double-click demo day because they bought into the Reddit and YouTube hype. What happened to Palantir in the past couple days, especially going into the double-click demo day, is very common. It is a showcase of a product capability to attract more clients. It was created specifically to potential clients or end users such as data science, data analytics, data engineers, etc. If you're not any of those people or have specific knowledge or background in data science, statistics, and engineering background, I will agree with you that the double-click demo can be very boring. The presenter are speaking data science language that makes it very difficult for laymen to understand. Let's face it, the double-click demo was not designed for shareholders or investors. It's funny, because of this, I have actually read somewhere online that some people actually started to think Palantir is a scam. No, Palantir is not a scam. In this video, I will share with you my thoughts on Palantir's price movements. All I ask of you in return is that you like and share the video to help us grow the channel. By the way, I also like to thank you and everyone for helping us grow this channel as we have reached our first 10,000 subscribers. I could not have achieved this without your support, so thank you very much. I very much appreciate it. Gratitude. And will do my best to continue to create value-added contents. Also, if you'd like to get 2 free stocks, value up to $1,850 each, be sure to use my link below in the descriptions to open an account with Webull and deposit $100. Some of our viewers have received Tesla and Google stocks. Please note that this video is for pure entertainment and education only, as I'm not a licensed financial advisor. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. The Palantir double-click demo was pre-recorded and it was over-registered, so only about 3,700 people were able to view it. In any case, as predicted in my prior video here, I stated I'm speculating that there will be some selling on the news going into the double-click demo day on Wednesday. Selling? Man, it did, as Palantir went under selling pressure and lost as much as 7% yesterday and continued to lose another 2% today. I guess the retail investors either had a misunderstanding of what the double-click demo was all about or had an unrealistic expectation, or both going in. In either case, this stock is for a very long-term investor. I say this because Palantir will not, I will repeat, will not go up like it had in 2020. The market condition has changed over the past few months. I likely to use the analogy of Tesla in its early days, where there were a lot of investors who doubted Tesla will ever be able to grow, let alone survive as a company. For a very long time, Tesla stock traded sideways, building a very strong base in preparation for its massive run-up. It was not until 2020 where it had exponential growth in the stock price. This is what I've been saying that will happen to Palantir. It's not going to happen now though, but sometime in the future, maybe 3 years from now, we don't know. The disconnect is that retail investors have been overhyped with the anticipatory of a massive run-up. Unfortunately for Palantir's case, it was a sell on the news. Think of Tesla Battery Day. The run-up to the hype drove Tesla stock up, and when the battery day came, the stock sold off despite the great news of Tesla's battery technology and what is to come. This is also true for Apple. The run-up to its new iPhone release was highly anticipated, but the stock sold off after its announcement. Now look at those two stocks now. They're both up significantly from the hype events. Most successful investors will tell you to invest in companies that you believe in after you have performed your own DD or due diligence, and that you understand what it does and believe its future growth potential. The successful investor will also tell you don't time the market because it's nearly impossible to do so. I think it's also important to manage your own expectation and the opportunity cost when it comes to investing in the short term and long term. Just remember that Palantir's share price will eventually go up and accelerate exponentially when its revenue continues to grow as it successfully acquires new customers. Of course, you want to see Palantir to show strength with its short-term growth, and it has been by acquiring new contracts. Bear in mind that the overall market just came out with a correction, and some analysts are now even suggesting that we could be heading into another correction again. Until then, everything is speculation at this point. Let's look at its daily chart. It closed at $23.15. It was down 55 cents or 2.32%. This is on a normal volume. Palantir is under a selling pressure. The good news is that the volume is in a decline from yesterday's trading volume. However, its MACD histogram is decreasing but inching toward the zero level, so this is good news. Its RSI is decreasing and fell below the center line. Note that it's trading below the 20 DMA. In other words, its short term and intermediate term are both bearish. So unfortunately, based on the data, be on the lookout for a potential breakdown below the $21.20 level. If this is confirmed, it could potentially go to the next support level at $18.30 area. The good news is that the $21.20 level is a triple strength support level. That's because it has rejected the bears 3 times in the past. Let's see if the 4th time it will hold out or not. In my prior video, I stated that Palantir is projected to trade sideways for a while. My outlook is still the same, as I do see it trading in the range between the support level of $21.20 and the resistance level of $27.50. In matter of fact, I would prefer Palantir to trade sideways, consolidate, and build a strong base before its attempt to climb back up and challenge the $27.50 resistance level. In summary, I am long on Palantir and will continue to accumulate should it dip below the $20 range, which I consider to be a very strong buy territory. I personally do see a bright future in Palantir, but this stock will test your patience. So there you have it. If you like these type of technical analysis along with stock picks with suggested entry and exit point, be sure to check out our patrons by clicking on the link in the description below or in my comment section. Wish everyone much success, and let's go make lots of simulars!